Sir Bob, your question, please.
Yeah, hi Kim. You mentioned about empowerment. I'm here. Okay, so you mentioned about empowerment, and women look up to you as their role model. So, and what will be your message to them?
To all the women,
Who look up to you
who
as
look up to
their
me,
role model?
to all the women out there, I think this is a reminder that there's no dream that is too big, no milestone that is too far. And may saying nga sila na success is not just about where you've been, but where you're willing to go. And that's my definition of success. To keep going and never stop. Pwede mag-stop for a while, rest, and just keep going and reach for your dreams. Kasi minsan akala mo, eto ka na. Parang, I've reached my peak, eto na yun. But